essentially, it's okay to tinker around and kick the tires on stuff. In fact, I have a 5-year-old, and I don't know if I'm gonna send him to college. I think I might just start a small, boring business at 16 with him, cleaning backhoes off construction sites, something real boring, and what happens in 20 years, he's a millionaire, right? So small business stuff is legit. If anybody's not interested in school, I'm always an advocate of go and start a small business and just take your lumps and just start it and go. And you'll figure out how to do it. I figured out, I'm a moron. So trust me, do whatever you think is gonna get you excited to go to work, because the last thing you wanna do is essentially go and have a deadbeat job, right? 40 hours a week, and then you got your kids at home and you're like, man, I can't even see. Hey, come on. It's just distracting, sorry. So then essentially, when you guys have all this stuff in your life, you have all these kids, you have all these bills, you have all this stuff, if you have something that keeps you happy, you ain't taking that home. You're not yelling at your spouse, you're not yelling at your kids, right? So these are the kind of things you're like, I don't care right now, I'm 18, 19 years old. Perfect, then I didn't care either. But in 10 years, you're gonna go, shit, please have my stuff together so that my 4-year-old self isn't so bogged down.